e-waste. Used electronics that are intended for reuse, salvage, resale, disposal, or recycling are also referred as e-waste. Processing of e-waste, particularly in developing nations, can affect human health and also cause pollution of the environment. Types of e-waste. Example of electronic waste includes TVs, computers, monitors, printers, scanners, keyboards, mouse, cables, circuit boards, lamps, clocks, flashlights, calculators, phones, answering machines, digital video cameras, radios, VCRS, DVD players, MP3 and CD players. How to recycle e-waste in India? More than 95% of e-waste is legally recycled by informal waste pickers. These workers operate independently outside of any formal organization, which makes enforcing e-waste regulation difficult to impossible. Why is e-waste important? E-waste is a rich source of metals such as gold, silver and copper which can be recovered and brought back into production cycle. There is significant economical potential in the efficient recovery of valuable material in e-waste and can provide economic generation opportunities for both individual and enterprises. Process of recycling e-waste. E-waste items are shredded into pieces as small as 100 mm to prepare for further sorting. E-waste recycling involves dismantling, recovery of valuable resources, sale of dismantled parts, and export of processed waste for precious metal recovery. Disadvantages of e-waste. As mentioned, electronic waste contains toxic components that are dangerous to health, such as mercury, lead, cadmium, barium, and lithium, etc. The negative health effects of these toxins on humans include brain, heart, liver, kidney, and skeletal system damage. About PowerPoint 13. PowerPoint 2013 is a presentation software that allows you to create dynamic slide presentation. Slideshows can include animation, narration, images, videos, and much more. Only Office 2013 Home and Business Standard Professional and Professional Plus package have PowerPoint included in them. Thank you.
Have you ever wondered why we always pour water on the soil of the plant, not the leaf or the stem of the plant? Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Raman Shadwanshi, and I am a student of class 5th F. Today, I will answer this question: how water and minerals are transported to the different parts of the plants. When we pour water on the soil of the plant, the roots absorb all the minerals and the water present in the soil, and then they transport the minerals and the water to the different parts of the plant by the xylem tissue. In the plants, there are two special kinds of vascular tissues, which are known as the xylem tissue and the phloem tissue. The xylem tissue transports all the water and the minerals from bottom to above, defying gravity, and the phloem tissue transport the glucose, which is made by the process of photosynthesis in leaves, from above to below. To prove my point that the xylem tissue transports all the water and minerals, I have made a small experiment. Uh, so what I have basically done is I have taken a glass in which I have poured water and put food coloring in the water, and then I have kept two plants in it for about 3 to 2 days, and If this is the stem of a money plant, and if you can see here in this small part of the plant, you can see it's a bit reddish. Can you see it? So
Yes.
this is because the xylem tissue transported all the water mixed with the food coloring to all the various different parts of the plant. You can also see it in this small flower. So, what basically, if I cut this cross section of the stem, if we look at it with a microscope, then it will look something like this. This is known as the vascular bundle. So, what basically this is, the big pipes around the vascular bundle are the phloem tissues, and the small red ones are the xylem tissues. So the phloem tissues transfer all the glucose and in the leaves to the different parts of the plant, and the small ones, the xylem tissue, transfer all the water and minerals to the different parts of the plant. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम श्रेया जैन है। मैं कक्षा 5वीं फ की छात्रा हूँ। मैंने यह व्याकरण की रेल बनाई है। इसमें 4 डिब्बे हैं: संज्ञा, सर्वनाम, क्रिया और विशेषण। इस रेल की सबसे खास बात यह है कि इसके यात्रियों को जिस नाम के गंतव्य स्थान पर जाना होता है, यह उस नाम के डिब्बे में ही बिठाती है। जैसे किसी को संज्ञा के गंतव्य स्थान पर जाना है तो इस संज्ञा के डिब्बे में ही बिठाती है। अब आप मेरे साथ इन यात्रियों की मदद कीजिए सही डिब्बे में बैठने की। अब आप बताइए, जलपरी जी कौन से डिब्बे में बैठेंगी? संज्ञा, सर्वनाम, क्रिया या विशेषण? जी हाँ, जलपरी जी संज्ञा में बैठेंगी। अब आप बताइए, शानदार कहाँ बैठेंगे? संज्ञा, सर्वनाम, क्रिया या विशेषण? हाँ, शानदार विशेषण में बैठेंगे। अब आप बताइए, मोहित कहाँ बैठेगा? संज्ञा, सर्वनाम, क्रिया या विशेषण? जी हाँ, मोहित संज्ञा में बैठेगा।
Sagar from class 12, Sagar Public School, Saket, Nagar. Today I will explain you about fractions. Fractions are represented as a numerical value, can be defined as a part of a whole. Fractions can be a portion or a section of any quantity out of the whole. The whole can be any number, a specific value, or a thing. Here's a ball, which is a whole. In this ball, the yellow colored part occupies one portion of the ball, so it is 1/4 of the ball. The blue part of the ball also occupies one portion of the ball, or 1/4 of the ball. But the green part of the ball occupies two portions of the ball, which is 2/4 of the ball. Here in 1/4, 1 is numerator. Numerator is the upper value of a fraction. Numerator indicates how many sections does a fraction is represented. 4 is denominator. Denominator is the lower value of a fraction. Denominator indicates how many parts is the whole divided into. Here's our example of fractions. The shaded part is the fraction of the circle. 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, 1/6, 1/7, 1/8, 1/9. Addition of like fractions, which are fractions with same denominator.
Here's a pizza with 6 equal slices. If I ate 2 slices out of them, and which is 2 by 6 of the pizza. And if my sister ate 1 slice out of it, which is 1 by 6, the pizza. So, how much portion do we ate is equals to 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is equals to 3 by 6, which is also half of a pizza.
You'll have to. Okay, perfect. Continue.
Subtraction of like fractions. Here's a chocolate with 4 equal pieces. If I ate 1 piece out of it, how much portion is left? Equals to 1 by 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equals to 3 by 4. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Shaurya Anil Pawar and I study in class 5F. Today I am going to present you my acrostic. I was very excited when I got to know that I have to make acrostic. So the first thing came in my mind is about my state, Madhya Pradesh. Why Madhya Pradesh? Why not Madhya Pradesh? I am very proud of my state, Madhya Pradesh. It is filled with tradition, culture and many more things. Let's begin with the acrostic M. Mahakaleshwar Temple in Ujjain. A. Ancient temples, forts and cave reflects rich history of my state. D. Decorated with Wali art of Bhimbetka. H. Hindi is the official state language of Madhya Pradesh. Y. Yummy and traditional food. A. Amazing stupa of Sachi. P. Proud of being born here. R. Rani Kamlapati railway station is the world-class railway station located in Madhya Pradesh. A. Adventurous wildlife safari at Bandhavgarh. D. Delicious feast of poha and jalebi. E. Evergreen and clean slate. S. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Chief Minister of my state. And last but not the least, H. Heart of India. Thank you.